And another great waterwall in a great movie, Iron Man, and again a movie which I love very much. Actually, I love all of those Iron Man movies and the Avenger movies. But there is one scene which you can see if you click on the trailer below, which I have inserted the links for you, where he crashes through the roof. And in this movie, it is a half-circled water wall. It looks like it is made out of straight glass plates, which are arranged as a half circle. And you can see in the trailer when he drops out of the roof, you can see the water wall. And of course, if you watch the full movie, where I will give you a link again, then you can enjoy more of this water wall in this movie. I think that almost in every Iron Man, this water wall is shown in his awesome residence. So yeah, if you see a water wall in a movie, please share it in the comments below, because my passion and my mission are water walls, and I would really appreciate if you give me a hint where I can find a water wall in a movie. So thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye.